A few weeks ago, 10 little water saviors took on an enormous challenge. And now we're nearing the end of this wonderful journey. Watch this final segment of the Sunlight Living Challenge and vote for your favorite idea.
My idea is about a magical bucket. I have written till where will hot water come, till where will cold water come, till where will the soaking water come. The water is full up to the brim, and if we put a hand or a mug inside it, all the water
Gets
splits down
displaced,
also.
yeah.
So my magical bucket will save 20%.
That's a brilliant idea. How did you get this idea, boss?
My mother used a measuring cup to measure how much she should use for rice and sugar. So I thought, why don't we use even for water a thing like that?
That is so totally cool.
When the water will come from the sloping roof, it will store away and it will come here, and from the pipe it will go in the tank and it will be used. And by doing this, we'll reduce the use of municipal water. The excess water will be directed to the soil for water harvesting, and in other seasons when we have to use it, we can make a borewell.
Hey Yashas, you're so tiny. What is your big idea?
To convert every car into a water tanker. This is the car I mean. So the rain comes, the water comes in the can becomes full.
So when the can gets full, this pipe takes in all the water, and this is where the tank is. This brilliant innovation which I can totally see happening.
As you can see here, there are two pipes, two outlets. One leads to the drainage and one leads to the reuse tank. So there is a cap here from which you can block the drainage button. So the clear water like hand washing vessels once again. And then for fruits and vegetables, you can open the reuse tank and you can close the reuse tank when not needed, like things like dirty vessels and oily plates. You can close the reuse one and you can open the drainage, so that will go in the drainage.
It's really amazing. Remember to reduce, reuse and recycle.